How to play Duolingo Chess. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo on your device. After that, you'll find you're logged into your account. Then click on the flag-like icon at the top left corner of your screen, which is beside streaks. And in here, beside music, you will find Duolingo Chess. From there, you can simply click on Chess and play Duolingo Chess. Also, it is not available in Android. It has started from iOS. As you can see, you'll find Chess icon in this way. In Android, you will get this in 2025. This is how to play Duolingo Chess. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.